That's a goodie, Ragashanti. Huh? Right! Watch out, onion and tomato and pepper. So make you laugh and hide the face. So. Make you hide the face. Show your face, you know, own the hairdresser, you know, own your man, you not take no girl, man. Show your face. Oh, you not show your face. What? Why she hide that face? Why she hide that? But just show them the garbage heap. Well on, let me hear what you say. What you say? Come tell them. Well on, yeah?
Maggage we are selling out here, maggage. Load the every day they collect money for maggage.
So them have to pay for selling it, though?
Yes.
And them not clean up the garbage?
Think.
How long know that not clean up?
2 weeks now.
See that the garbage look too wonderful at all. The people them say them pay them money for selling at the market, and an agreement is that, you know, the authorities them supposed to keep the market clean, and them not keep it clean. A beer garbage over there, so and look a picnic there and beer something. I go up the road, you hide from video line. You hide from video line. You hide from video line. Why you hide from the video line? So why you hold on your face or why? That's true, me don't. I like you. All right. I lie.
Yes.
Bless up yourself, man. I think so. What were you selling now? What were you selling?
Because the rubbish are killing me, the same that keep me and make me feel bad. So if you don't buy no last letter, I want to go home.
Oh, shut up about it, man. Shut up about it.
Me tell you, if you eat me, I feel bad. This time I don't buy no load. You understand?
Oh, you never buy.
Oh. You understand?
See it there, see it there.
Yes.
I don't eat more bubble face, so my boyfriend don't love me again.
Hold on. Come here to me. Are you telling me, man, and them bite off your ears? I true. Them bite off your ears, too. Yeah. You take people, man, and them bite off your ears, too. Look at the woman, no, man. You know, see the woman have knife. And them a tease you. I talk about, I true. You take people, man, with you and them bite off. Hey, give me the mix up. Give me the mix up.
And this man, we see them over there.
That man bite off her ears. Shaggy a man bun and a man bite off her ears. Lord Jesus.
No, she never married to the man, her finger didn't marry to him.
Hey, how are you get a Mixup brother from? How are you get a Mixup brother from? Eh? She terribly. Eh? My you stop me stirring one smelly? Why you stop me stirring one smelly? It's a Coronation Market. Yeah. Wagwan. Yeah. Big up yourself. How you do, darling? You alright? Son of box me in my nasty, I want me to hold it, you know. Huh? What they about see me, man? I say, nah, man, you don't know I got me there for breeze them, you know, because them did not take it a little bit, you know. Yeah, but what they see me, you know. Because that's where we come from, don't you? See, the big respect here. Manners. Safety, yeah? So I make you a walk like a hat. I don't know, it's a Coronation Market where they are right here, so now. And Coronation is probably the most well-known market, or at least definitely the best-known market in Kingston and St. Anne, you understand? Coronation Market is more than a market, it's an institution. Come on, man, buy the card, man, lick it on. Coronation Market is more than a market. It's an essential and iconic institution. People from all over Kingston and St. Andrew, uptown, downtown, everywhere you can think of, know about Coronation Market. Coronation Market is known more for ground produce, farm produce and them things there. But in these later years, a lot of expansion where people are sell clothes and all them something there. But we have several other new markets now, Oxford Market, where we're just in and them thing there. Them more sell clothes and them something there. Coronation Market is still known for ground produce, the onion, the dashing, the cabbage, the ackee, the banana, the Irish potato, everything. So we're up in a Coronation Market right now. Our place, you know, Ragashanti, West Kingston, middle live, Percy Street. You understand? Little bit above North Street up there, so. So Coronation Market, my mother used to come regularly. We shut it down, Regent Street, come down. I do Wellington Street, catch the Spanish Town Road, come down here, so. And all with food and all these things. So I go up in the Coronation Market now. All right, mommy, let's go, mommy. All right, mommy, hot you know. When girl good, girl good. All right. Okay, money. You see it there? One of the barrel people slippers and them can't fit, you know. See it there? See it there? Eh? You think me not see it? Where you go? Come here to me, I talk to you. Hold on, I talk to you. No, I see a slipper jump off and you put a while ago. You borrow a slipper.
Raga,
yeah,
big time, Mixup.
You know, man, we're there, man. We're put us. Everything good.
Yeah.
You know, just they are roll through a place, you know.
Come out of the world.
Just have to. Watch out.
There are money at us.
Get them two dance on the video. No, well, not dance with me.
Back on Jamaica Station News?
You want me to come back on Jamaican station?
Yes.
You sure? Why?
We miss you because you come to use for poor people.
It means for poor people, don't it?
Yes, although you have the one for Ph.D. already, you come down to our level. So let me understand. Already the big politicians them attack with them when we don't understand them. So, because big word they are talking, but the poor people don't understand.
And Ragashanti make you understand.
Yes, because you come down to our level.
Well, don't say come down, because when you say come down, they make it look like them above way. So you just say we come cross.
Yeah, you come across, we can understand.
Yeah.
Understand, you come across our level. But we understand it. We don't understand the big word with them. We really want you back.
Right, so you want me back on the radio?
Yeah, we don't really
on the
want
TV,
you come back.
we
really miss you. Yes, we want you back in the media fraternity.
At Jamaica, don't
Yes, we really miss you.
So, how you can recognize that about me, but some of them big shop bossy people them can't recognize?
No, because you them talk about you have a Ph.D. all of that. And Ph.D., we understand where you go like you better than where you're coming from.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they don't remember where they are coming from.
Seeing.
Right.
Seeing.
So and that we respect about
them talk different and
yes,
them carry themselves different.
Yes.
Them have a distance and them have a language where you don't understand.
Right.
Well,
use big intellect words but we don't understand.
Let you the hand cat man there. Let you the cat man there. Watch your foot there. Watch your foot, mommy. Watch your foot there, yeah.
Come down, you bring class so we can understand. Think about it, you know, Raga.
No, I will, darling.
Because
I promise you.
Yeah? Every day when it was on TV.
Blessings, man.
Right.
Blessings, man. All right. Give me a hug here. All right, man. You take care. Thanks here. Thanks to them kind words. Well, all right. Just the excitement there.
Long time.
I hear thing about what's your name, mommy? What's your name, darling?
Camille.
And come here, I see you have, you know. You have your little drink so you can buy right here, so. run by run around the place, no? And them you work with. Yo, come here, big up yourself here. We're there. I got you with the place. Huh? Yeah, all right. I walk around with a knife, yeah.
I'm a scallion now.
Are you scallion knife?
Yes, nice.
Or you just pay off a scallion with it and all these things? You love me, darling. Bless up yourself. Yeah. All right. All right. You want a kiss? A kiss you want? I like. All right, take a kiss. No. Hold on. Go kiss me. All right, I can see what I want. No worry, son. New York with it, but we are coming. See cabbage, where you turn now? Me talk to you. Aye. How much cabbage sell?
120.
120 a pound.
Yeah.
Them look nice and fresh though.
Them look good, always
If
look
me never work, I would have boiled some and thing. I love cabbage, you see.
Yeah.
But when them cook it, I find them not taste the same way like out here. Them not cook it up with the seasoning them what we use.
Okay.
And thing and them not cook it down like how we cook it.
Okay.
So it tend to be a little hard sometimes, you know. But I like when it's soft.
When we cook it, different fine.
Yeah, man. Love cabbage, man.
Yeah. And tomato 220.
220, 2 months. Yeah. What? Wait. Eh? What you say?
Modern green fight you.
Yeah, but you know, me and him, all the reason why they have a resolve issue.
Oh God, you know why you come back, you know?
No, I just want to know for the record, say, me and Cardell Green, we sort out what we sort out. Him have a job for though. And me have to remain true to myself. So probably somewhere in Jamaica, we can reach something where me respect what him job is, and him respects me have to keep it real with myself. So probably we can achieve some balance there, so some way, some.
Come down to where you will.
Yeah. Come cross, expand.
Yeah, and
expand
make unity.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Well, you see, if him willing, me willing too.
Yeah.
So how we can work out something,
Yeah,
you know?
some understanding.
Right.
Why? We want to come back in a Raga.
All right, I'm forward.
Yeah, man, we want to come.
I'm forward. All right. What go on? A cabbage at the house thing right now. Seeing how cabbage yourself?
Well, we say 120, but you not take up in our buy it here.
No, take up. Oh, I have to buy it to sell it back.
Yeah, we
No.
make a money with
Well, I find that interesting because cabbage is one I think them what it always sell without fail.
price gone up too high and
To beat the people them down, can't manage it. And you have to sell it for a little bit more. It's your business, you know.
that's a my business.
Well, I'm going to hold it and hang in there, yeah?
Yeah.
Blessings, love and respect, yeah?
Yeah,
Cool.
it's business.
Yeah, man. Come out of my way now. What you know my way for? Eh? A Ragashanti, where you mix me with Babatunde for? Eh? You see how she mix me with Babatunde? I want to go on over here, so. What a movie on him? Who can you feel? Who made that movie? It's a Jamaican movie. You sell it? How much is it? Eh? And the show clean, so? Hold this, give me a nice one.
I can't take it.
Well, you can make the people them cost me, my lad. So what am I going to watch? Eh? What am I going to watch? You know, no more for that. So you know, should I give me one other one, man? I see the levels. At least I know so that one here go on. So in them, who can hear we feel? Hey. See there, it's a Jamaican video this, you know, it's a Jamaican movie. Somebody, them probably will make it with all a phone too if you don't mind sharp. A movie there, who can hear we feel? You know, so I watch this stuff more.
I'm going to run them out of the place right now.
All right, now say a word here.
Yes,
Movement.
Movement.
All right. IP. Yeah, walk and swing it. Eh? Where you go? You lucky, me I follow you. Where you go? Stand up and talk to me. I want to that woman. I'm going to see what you going to do. I must run, you going to start run. Come in the back of your PP clock. Hey, Miss Lady. Ragashanti want to talk to you. Ragashanti want to talk to you. Tan. I want to that one. Yo. Eh? You know, she run from me. Don't know why she run from me. Yeah, do your schoolwork. What you coloring? Let me see it. Hold it up, let me see it. Oh, that's nice. Is this Anansi? That's Anansi. So what is Anansi doing?
Climbing on something.
Huh?
Climbing on something.
It look like him climbing out of the pipe. And Anansi has an umbrella. Okay, what school you go to?
Belmont Park Primary.
Huh?
Belmont Park Primary. Belmont Park Primary.
Oh, Belmont Park Primary. What grade are you in?
Grade 4.
Grade 4. Are you come to the market with mommy? That's very nice. And you're doing well in school? I hope so, you know. If I ask mommy if you're doing well in school, she going to say yes. What is your name again?
Kimoya Cohen.
Huh?
Kimoya Cohen.
I'm going to ask mommy now here. Mommy, is Kimoya doing well in school? Okay. Yeah! See, mommy say you're doing well in school. Very nice here. Nice. I could see what Kimoya coloring look. You see that? Kimoya is at the market with mommy and she's doing her schoolwork on a Saturday. She's from Belmont Park Primary. Very nice. Nice meeting you, yeah? I say right, yeah, so. They say, let's show the man. This is a familiar occurrence in downtown Kingston. Coronation Market today and them place a hand cart with the food. Essentially it's a portable restaurant. They pack them on the cart and the man push it anywhere he want to push it and sell the food. People buy the food and thing, alright? Give them a shot at the cart to make them see what I want. Yeah. Alright. That's our word. It goes some man. Yo, my general, it goes some man, alright?
Bless up.
Act here now, eh? And next time, you know, because I'm up on the work here now, yeah? Eh.
Best foods are Korea. See where you eat, know where you eat, understandable.
How are you gone? How are you gone?
See it done, know it done, have fun eating it.
Well, I'm a goodie. But yeah, so everything good.
Everything blessed.
Where you're on right now in the day? Just look some shopping and thing down. So it's have to go, you know, Saturday thing, alright? Eh? Have to, because body have to stay healthy and sexy like how you stay. Ooh, alright. With your pretty teeth. Big up yourself here. Alright, love you. How you do, mommy? How you do? All is well?
Yeah.
You hold some food though?
Yeah.
Alright, I go feed you.
Yeah.
Alright, mommy, alright? Alright, blessings here. Cool. Alright, oh yes!
I mean, my daughter, me a talk to.
Yeah.
I talk about your show up on the radio, them say you do a different thing.
Yeah, they are foreign man. Tambourine radio turn up with
I
it.
yes, I'm foreign, they Shabba.
Raga, yeah.
Yeah. I talk about your show, my friend.
Yeah, but for them back to the place now.
Of course.
See the blessings,
Every
man.
time come here, I wash them, I sit down and wash faster and cleaner.
Yeah.
Every time something sweet me, I say,
And bust out a big laugh and enjoy yourself. You understand?
Yeah, and then fight you up, my friend.
See it there, but we're there.
They are same.
They are give thanks and I go
Of
through, you know,
course.
because them can't stop.
But really, I'm calling them for trying to lie me.
No, I believe you, I believe you, I
Swear
believe
to
you, I
God.
believe you.
Because Sun City, me I listen now.
Johnny.
Yeah, Johnny, and
Johnny.
go on.
Seeing Sun
Yeah,
City. Yeah, man,
yeah.
Johnny have a legacy lock, you know. Because you know I'm a brother that, don't
Yeah, my friend, me know, man.
you understand?
Me know, man. Yeah,
Well, bless up yourself here.
Every time,
And big up
man.
your daughter, everybody,
Of
and
course,
everything.
big
Yeah?
up yourself.
Love and respect. Mommy,
Yeah.
blessing.
Yeah.
Wagwan. What you say? What you up to? You sell what?
Ears ring and chocolate.
Ears ring and chocolate. I like that. You're out there on the road also. I make it happen. Yeah. I make it happen. See it there? But at least you're out there looking. I say a word, you know? See it there? No. The toughest time right now?
Right now.
A Jamaica, you know?
Yes, man. A poverty time. Distress time.
A real talk?
Hungry. I mean, you can't ever still call them out $100. People now say, look, everything sit down.
But you don't buy it expensive, so you have to put it back to look at something. It doesn't make sense. You know,
so they give it to where you buy from. We just done it. But we just put your trust in God. The government now say, no, they have to go away.
The government now say nothing?
Now say they have to go away.
Where you say good? Where you on? Where you say with the ad self? Everything good?
Yeah, man.
You just come to market, come and look at food and things though. And full of smile and beer things. You know you can act so shy. You can't go like you're shy. Well, good to see you here.
Yeah, man.
Blessings here. All right, cool. You hear what the man said? Make them hear what the man said a while ago.
Jasco said,
Yeah.
Ragashanti don't get a rate in a yard. But abroad, him are the biggest thing, bigger than all the Prime Minister.
I got it. We give thanks. Yo, struggling and nothing new to it.
Sure.
And I cure them beat to. You understand? Yo, I see a whole heap of people with the, this is what, rose, this is what, the bush. Rosemary. But I see a whole heap of people with it, but I want.
It's very important.
No, but why I see so much people have it like in them ear, behind them ears and things?
All right. Them call it, when you put it behind your ears,
yeah.
Them call it your lucky charm. That means it will bring in available luck.
But why rosemary? Why rosemary?
Why rosemary? Because it is very important.
Okay.
And it is Rastafari sacrificant.
Okay.
We use it in soup, we use it in vegetable.
Yeah.
We use it occasionally in the herb, smoking it and all like that.
Rosemary in a herb?
In the chalice too.
In a chalice?
Yes.
I never know that.
Split. And again, we use it as tea.
Right.
Medicine.
Right.
Purpose.
Right.
So to show you.
I mean, you say good for your heart and them something there. Yeah.
It is an all-purpose medicine.
Rosemary bush.
Rosemary bush.
Right.
I give you a sprang.
No, but what I say is, I notice since, you know, I'm coming to a place.
You can't draw a cup of tea with it.
No, but I notice a whole heap of people are wear it behind them ears. Why?
The local people do that, but the society people them have a special use for it.
What them do for it?
What them do with it, just like what I said little while. They use it at them tea.
Yeah.
Them use it even be called put for Christ's sake.
Alright, I put it back out right here so too, you know. And get some of my blessing.
Personal stuff.
Yeah man.
Respect.
And get some blessing too, you understand?
Memorize your place, bro. Memorize your place.
It is an all-purpose.
They said memorize your place.
Yes, it is an all-purpose. All-purpose.
Blessings, you know, sir. And what's your name again? Salaman. Ras Salaman.
All right.
Ras Salaman. Yeah.
Blessed.
Big up here, sir.
Respect.
Manners. We got some man. Never. Oh, so how old him is?
He'll be 3 months this month.
3 months. And he might take breast then now.
Right.
So what? But what's him contented and thing, eh?
And he's very attentive.
Eh?
He's very attentive.
Very attentive, so him know what going right
He's
now.
looking at you.
So you come market here now and him a juggle with you?
Yeah.
3 months. You sure you're a baby?
Yes.
Because you have baby for your titty and it's not your baby, you know.
He's great guy.
Oh, the baby is so cute.
He's great guy.
Oh, the baby so cute.
A rose produce a rose.
A rose produce a taco.
Produce a rose.
A rose produce a rose.
Produce a rose.
He is so sweet. Hey, big man, wagwan. You take titty down. Hey, you take titty down. Oh, look at you. Say hello to everybody here. What's his name?
Tyrone Jr.
Eh?
Tyrone Jr.
Hello, Tyrone Jr. Hello, Tyrone Jr. You come market with mommy?
Yes. Then
Tyrone Jr.
For grandma and great grandma.
You went to look for grandma and great grandma down.
And they're very young.
Eh?
And they're very young and sexy.
Who young?
My grandmother.
And grandmother and great grandmother?
Yes.
You serious?
It's very serious.
What them don't
I'm
listen?
going for the tablet and show the proof.
Make sure, you know.
Yeah, I'm going for it right now.
Watching him lively and, you know. Tyrone, what happened? Ty.
You know, I'm going to
Ty. What happened? Ty. Is this your mother for true? Or she borrow you for come back with you?
I not mine.
Are your mother for true or she borrow with you for come back with you for get a hype in the market? Don't.
Tell him no.
Don't it? Borrow, she borrows because you're cute and look good. Don't.
A rose produce a rose.
You understand? Don't. You're the real man. Boom off my fist.
You don't know that.
Boom off my fist. Boom off my fist, my general. Boom off my fist, my general. Boom off my fist, my general. See, I laugh there. Boom off my fist, my general. Woo! You see breast milk still in your mouth, you know?
All right.
Boom off my fist, my general. Woo. Make you look for a rocker song. Make you look for a rocker song.
Listen to him, so you know him bad. Listen to him, come on, me download the app. Right.
You download the Ragashanti app.
Yeah, because
and Tyrone listen.
Give me the app and say download this.
Tyrone.
I hear you talk about type of kisses them.
You're true, you tell a lie, you tell. I'm true, don't it?
And you sheshe.
And Sheshe. You know about Sheshe? So weird. Him know about Sheshe too?
Him know your voice.
Him know my voice,
I know
though.
big people.
Okay.
Kids out my baby, no.
Tyrone, your mother download Ragashanti app and listen to show, you know. And she hear when me talk about the different kisses them. And she hear when we talk about Sheshe.
The black woman with the white man.
Which black woman with the white
The
man?
one when she there with this husband white and she don't want to live because she has shot me all over the place.
Yeah, yes. But you really open at the mix. You sure your mother mix up? You sure your mother love a mix up like Ragashanti?
What's your hand?
He tell you don't leg off a Raga on, yes? You're general, don't it? No, sir. All when you get older, y'all picking it, feel it. Don't it? I look at the camera, man. See there? Tyrone what?
Taylor.
Tyrone Taylor, real boss. 3 months and come market with the mother. I do road, I run road. I hold my hand strong like a general. You see that? Firm grip that the boss have right here, so. Them they understand. His mother download the Ragashanti app. I listen to the show them. Tyrone know Raga voice and I hear the mix up them. You understand? Y'all your ear look better than my ear. I want to go on this. Mind yourself, you know. You.
Them say I have Chinese in the family.
That's right. It's a pigtail, eh? And the pigtail, yo, Stocks Multimedia Canada. Same favorite food, the pigtail. Stocks love me my pigtail. Give them a shot at the pigtail where Stocks love me. Yeah. A Stocks food at the pigtail. What's the Raga food there? Salt mackerel. My favorite meal. Salt mackerel and dumpling and banana. My favorite meal, man.
Come on, check out quick cook, chicken and chips.
And what kind of bush
hot
then?
and spicy hot dog of a quick cook. Yeah, come on, check out the drink and
Yeah. No, I just make the people them know what I want. This is susumba.
come on, check out quick cook. Yeah, come on, check out the drink and chicken and chips.
I just see my susumba.
Yeah.
All right. So tell me the other one that I want.
150, yeah. Come on, check out quick cook, chicken and chips. Hot and spicy hot dog of a quick cook. Yeah, come on, check out the drink container.
What I want to name?
Guinea hen weed.
Guinea hen weed. What the Guinea hen weed do?
Yeah, come on, check out quick cook. Yeah, come on, check out the green container. Chicken and chips. Chicken
Okay.
150 chicken mac and
Yeah,
cheese.
Guinea hen weed make you sex hard. And that, so that's a Guinea hen weed. And then this a dark blood now. What the dark blood? Come here. Yes, sir. Yeah, this a dark blood.
When the woman them want to get pregnant, then me drink the dark blood. Clean out them
dark
soap.
blood.
Yeah, come on, check out the green
Clean out them too.
Yeah.
And make woman get pregnant, the dark blood. And then which other one there now?
150, yeah. Come on, check out quick
Oh.
cook, chicken and
They have
chips.
roots.
Roots.
Quick cook.
The Medina, show them the Medina. Show them the Medina.
The Medina go for pain back.
Medina.
Yes, and
Pain back.
Yes, and go take out cool out your line.
Yeah,
Cool.
come on, check out the green
Cool.
container.
Okay,
Chicken and
Medina.
chips.
Yeah.
Chicken
And of course you have the sauce.
Yeah, chicken mac and
And the
chips.
susumba.
150, yeah.
One where the
Come on,
susumba
check
name
out
again?
quick cook,
Gully
chicken
bean.
and
Gully
chips.
bean.
Hot
All right,
dog,
bless
hot
up
and
here.
spicy hot dog of a quick cook.
And what is your
Yeah,
name?
come on, check out the green container.
Roots, man.
Roots man.
Right.
All right, past Spanish Town Road.
Yeah, come
Bless
on,
it.
check out quick.
Unfortunately, the smell of the place down here is not too wonderful. It smells like sewer, right? So it smells like it have that kind of filthy smell there, you know? Which is definitely not the type of thing where you want a surround a place where I deal with food. I deal with produce that people have to eat and all them something. This is what the people were warning me about coming up here. But you don't know them things, I'm not strange to them things, unfortunately. So, you know, bother me, but me sure know say the people would have preferred not to have them type of thing around them. But again, we're up on Spanish Town Road, Coronation Market, Oxford Mall, and them places. And it's just a nice little vibes. For me, it's a reminder a particular area of Jamaican culture when we grew up in. And you know, it's just interesting to see all the changes that have occurred. But even with all the changes, a lot of things remain the same, you know. And we just see the people that want to try a struggle, you know, the sun out here try sell them things. The economy now do too well, I'm complain how sales are too wonderful. But I'm out here push hard-working people, thousands and thousands of people down here. I work hard, I sell them little things, pay them bills and things, and I live an honest, hard-working life, you know. You have to give thanks to that. Yeah, man. Kind of remind you and make you know where you come from. And I'm sure many of you watching this abroad, to make you reminisce and remember certain things, you know. And if it's a one thing it can do for you, it's just to give thanks you want to have, yeah? And I'm in a position where I complain about this and that. I mean, I say I don't know if I complain about anything we deserve him to complain about. But at the same time, nobody complain too much and forgot to give thanks to one I have. Particularly when you can compare it to one I come from, you know? Yeah, man. RAGASTREETS, Spanish Town Road, Tivoli Garden, West Kingston, Coronation Market, Oxford Mall, in the street.